Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fill out and save PDF forms using Adobe Acrobat Reader step by step. This is useful when you need to complete digital forms such as applications, contracts, or registration documents. Let's get started. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free PDF tool developed by Adobe that allows you to open, fill, sign, and save PDF documents. Here's how to fill out and save a PDF form. Step 1. Open the PDF form. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Click File, then select Open and choose the PDF form you want to fill out. Step 2. Select the Fill and Sign tool. Once the document opens, look for the Fill and Sign tool. You can find it on the right sidebar or in the Tools menu. Click Fill and Sign to start editing the form. Step 3. Click on the form fields. Now, click on the fields inside the PDF form. Type your information such as name, address, phone number, email. If the PDF contains interactive fields, you can simply click and type. Step 4. Add text manually if needed. If the form doesn't have fillable fields, you can still add text. Click the Add Text option and place the text anywhere on the document. Step 5. Add a signature. If the form requires a signature, click Sign. You can type, draw, or upload your signature and place it in the correct location. Step 6. Review the form. After filling out all the fields, review the document to make sure everything is correct. Step 7. Save the completed form. Click File, then select Save As. Choose a location on your computer and save the completed PDF. Step 8. Share the form. You can now send the filled form by email or upload it wherever required. Important tip: always save a copy of the completed form on your computer so you can access it later if needed. And that's it. That's how you fill out and save PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Reader step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical PDF and document tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.